Hey guys, at Fantasy Motorsports, I want to give you a sneak peek at the 2024 Model 3 Performance. Check it out. Candy apple red, Model 3 Performance. Our client brought the vehicle to us to do the Ultimate Armor Package. That is a protection package. The Ultimate Armor Package consists of a full front paint protection film, and the rest of the vehicle is covered in ceramic coating. Together, it gives the vehicle a lifetime warranty and a lifetime of protection. We also did a full ceramic window tint package on this Tesla. We did the windshield, we did the side windows, we did the rear windshield in one piece. We also did the roof. The full package, every piece of glass is tinted with ceramic tint, giving it the highest heat rejection available on the market. Thanks for joining us. And remember, if you have a brand new Tesla or a brand new any vehicle, come on down to Fantasy Motorsports for all your paint protection needs or any personal customizations. We'll take care of you. See you next time.